So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in SLMGR space dash reom. And then click on enter. It's going to ask you to restart your computer. Don't do it yet. Just click on OK. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HQ local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand Windows NT. We're going to scroll down until we find Windows NT. You want to expand that. And now you want to expand current version. And now you want to click on Software Protection Platform. We're going to scroll down till we find Software Protection Platform. It's right here. You want to click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the Software Protection Platform folder. And now once we're here, it's going to be saying Skip Rearm. You want to double click on it. Now in this box, you want to make the value data 1. So make sure that in this box right here, it has the number 1 and then click on OK. Now for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.